Oh. I see embarrassment, I see pain, I see a lot of money that was wasted. Yeah. I'm glad I don't have to live like that anymore. Yeah. Hello, my name is Amanda, and I'm a real patient at New Teeth Now. My smile represents redemption. Probably about 10, 15 years back, I really became addicted to alcohol and drugs. So my story led me to some really sad parts of my life, and my teeth really suffered. I really was left with being 38 years old and having no functional teeth. And not only can I not speak or talk, I can't eat. Like, what do I do? You know? So my husband and I spoke, and we were just like, we're going. We had previously spent like $28,000 on my mouth, and all of the dental work had failed before coming to New Teeth Now. Everything, literally from when I walked in to when I left with my final teeth, has been seamless. One of my very favorite parts about this whole experience is the fact that when I woke up, I was in no pain. I couldn't believe how little it hurt. I didn't realize how much of a science was involved in it. Really just working towards making sure that the final look of who I wanted to be reflected in what I was presenting. I really feel like I can be more open and more expressive around my children. The kids even have enjoyed having a mom that's more outgoing. There was this one time where my son said, Mom, one of my friends said that you had like really nasty teeth. Now I don't have to worry about that, you know. He's proud to take pictures with his mom, and he's proud to show his mom off, so it's changed a lot. Now I can look through my phone and I see all these selfies that we got to take together, and I never had that before. It's incredible. I can't remember the last time I had to worry about what my mouth looked like. No more worrying about what other people think of me. When it comes to your health, you have to consider that if you don't do this now, what is it going to be like in 10, 20 years? Are you going to be even able to salvage that? Being able to come to New Teeth Now has kind of put, you know, the bow on the package. You know, I've been able to really feel like I really do have my life back. What are you waiting for? Call New Teeth Now.